So guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to discuss and demonstrate how to use divide operator in document in MongoDB. So initially we'll drop the collection DB products drop from the collection. Yes, click on yes. So now we are going to freshly insert the records into collection products. It consists of name, total price, total quantity, bill year. You can see for keyboard also it contains some details for mouse, etc. There is a nested field, you can see field detail, total price and total quantity. And we have to click on yes button. So totally 10 records are inserted successfully. So now you have to find out the highest and lowest price in a product. So for that you have to make use of group ID null. So in order to calculate the max price, you have to make use of $max on the field total price. It will get the highest price. So for getting minimum price, lowest price, you have to make use of $min followed by the field on which you have to apply. That is total price. This query is quite simple. I'll execute it. Click on yes. You get the maximum price and lowest price. Maximum price is 1 lakh. Minimum price is 1000. So basically these are explanations. So now we want to find the highest price and lowest price for the particular product mobile. So here there are three item records exist mobile. So you can manually check the highest price is 1 lakh. So lowest price is 20,000. You have to get it. Yes. So query for that is, so you have to match. You have to make use of match operator here. Match name is equal to mobile. That is name is equal to mobile. So it will filter only mobile. So in group by ID is equal to null. So for getting maximum price, you have to use a $max on the field total price. So in order to get lowest price, to use $min. This query is also quite simple. So we will execute it. Manually we checked. We have to get 1 lakh and as a highest price and 20,000 as a lowest price. Click on yes. So clearly you can see maximum price is 1 lakh for mobile. Minimum price for mobile is 20,000. So next is to find a product. So we have to find a product price by dividing the total price by total quantity. So total price divided by total quantity gives you the actual price. So here I am going to execute it. Click on execute button. Click on yes. So clearly you can see. So price is obtained by dividing total price by total quantity. 1 lakh divided by 5, it gives you 20,000. So next is keyboard. Its total price is 5,000 divided by 10. It gives actual price 500. Mouse total price is 2000 and total quantity is 5. So total price divided by total quantity is 400. For memory card, price is total price 2500, total quantity 2. So 2000 divided by 2 is 1250 and so on. So meanwhile I will close this window. We will come to next query. So the next query is requirement is you have to calculate for memory card. You have to calculate the half of the price. How the half price is got? Total price of memory card is divided by 2. So half price of the memory card is got by dividing the total price by. So here we are using the match operator. So in order to filter memory card. So project you will be using name fields you want to appear. Name and total price will appear here. So So in order to get the half of the salary, you'll be using divide operator, followed by the enclosed by square bracket total price and the value you are going to use. That is 2. So total price you are being divided by 2. So here, click on execute button here, play button. Click on yes. So we'll get 2500 divided by 2 is 1250. So again 1000 divided by half, that is 2, is 500, and memory card 4000 is total price divided by 2 is 2000 of the price. So we'll see another example of divide operator. In this we will be using divide operator on embedded document. Clearly see in the name laptop there is a nested bit. Total price and total quantity are nested bits, which belongs to bill detail. So bill detail dot total price is 45,000. So if you have to get half of the price, you have to divide that total price by 2. 45,000 divided by 2, you will get 22,500. So this is the query. So DB products aggregate. So match name laptop, filters laptop. So project you will be using. Remove this. Name it to list. So half of the salary is obtained by using dividing bill detail. Since it's a nested field, we are using bill detail dot total price. To get the total price 45,000 and it is divided by. So here you will get the result after executing this query. So this is the result. 45,000 divided by 2. It results in 22,500. This is an example for using divide operator on embedded field. So we'll consider another example. So here DB conference planning collection. I'll drop this initially. This is the another example for how to use divide operator on MongoDB. So we have basically ID, city, hours, 80, task, number of tasks. So next we have ID2, city Mysore, hours 40, task 4. So we'll insert this. Click on execute button. Yes. So two records got inserted. So here this is another example of how to use divide operator. So query is to compute number of working operators field by dividing that field by 8 hours. It should be divided by 8 hours. So for that you'll be using DB collection in conference planning aggregate project city, and you're displaying it. Column 1 means it will be displayed. View ID as 1. ID will be hidden. City will be displayed. So work days is calculated by dividing hours by 8. For that you have to use dollar divide operator. So manually we are calculating 80 hours is there and it's divided by 8 means it becomes 10. 40, which work hours is 40 divided by 8 means it comes 5. This query is also quite simple. So you will get the work days. Work days divided by 8. So we get as 10 and 5. So next topic is how to use unwind operator. I will stop it here because the video becomes very lengthy. I will stop it. So guys, thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.